Hi, this is Ed Duclos, Tech Coach for South Windsor School District. This video is going to take a look at a couple more, three different tools that are out there, AI tools, as we continue to explore what's out there and then continue to answer the question, how do we use this? Okay, first, I want to give credit to where credit is due. This is a gentleman, he was the video that I saw last night. He was talking about six specific tools for designers, web designers, etc. And so I wanted to play off of that, looking with you in mind and saying, what should we be aware of? First one that's up there, let's go ahead and take a look at Dolly, and you'll recognize this logo over here, and that's OpenAI, the company from San Francisco that's responsible for ChatGPT. All right, so this is their artificial art. So let's go ahead and log in. As always, just go ahead and continue with Google. I always get a kick. Prove that you're not a robot to a bot. Anyway, so what I like about this is pretty typical. You can go ahead and put in your prompt right here. And this is what they call stable diffusion, which means text to image. You put the text in, they create the image. The other thing I like about this one is that they do keep the stuff that you have been creating in the past and also put it in collections. I started playing around with a feature that they have. You can actually upload a picture. I uploaded this, and then you talk about the background. I didn't do it exactly right, but hey, I'll keep playing with it. You take a look at some of this stuff. It's just amazing when you look at this. Now, I would love to take credit for that prompt, but I didn't. I'll show you in just a minute where I got that from. All right. So that is Dolly. You can create your own from a prompt, or you can actually upload a picture now. All right. Get back to that prompt. I have the hardest time when I'm trying to figure out what do I ask it to do. So here, Lexica is let's say they build themselves as a search engine for AI images. All right. So the thing that I liked about this is that you can go through and take a look at some of these. And then if you come across something that you like that's basically what I did before, you get something like this, it then has what the prompt was. So you could copy the prompts and then you can come back to Dolly, etc., and you can put that prompt in. So that's Lexica, and it's a search engine. All right. I just liked it because when I'm starting to understand a little bit as I start to play with these, is you can start to see the sophistication of the prompt, therefore getting a better result. The third one, the one I wish I could really promote, is Jasper. Now, Jasper is a pay for. Okay, you get like 5 days free. You have to put your credit card in and everything like that. And I stopped short. Okay, so what I liked about this is I think it gives you a good view of where writing might be going. Okay, so Jasper is one of the world's largest AI writing tools. All right, and what it features is a number of um, frameworks and templates. All right. It's amazing. This particular guy that I was watching as a creator was talking about AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. So that's what you want in your image or your page or whatever you might be designing. Let's take a look. The thing I liked about this is that I'll go back to something that he was showing. If you take a look in the back here, it asks you to put this prompt in. What's your product name? What's your product's description? What tone of voice do you want? And then it has several other options that you can put into your prompt. And then it comes back with this incredibly precise description of what you are asking for. It's amazing stuff. Again, this is a pay for, so I think the cheapest was $40 a month, something along those lines. So I'm going to pass, but just again, a sense of where this is going. And I had to throw this last one in. This is a AI site that says, yep, you can get an online website up and running in 30 seconds. It takes a little bit longer because you have to put in the name, but or just a suggestion, or excuse me, you put in a description of what you want. They'll create the name. They'll create the people saying what a great business this is. It's amazing. Now, what he was talking about, and when a lot of business people are talking about, is if you're looking at a blank page right now, this is a great place to go and find some ideas and then come back to the way that you want to go ahead and create. So it's something that we should be thinking about. So those are the tools: Dolly, Lexica, Jasper, and then Durable. All right. Where do you get this stuff? You don't have to keep this in mind. If you go to our staff resources page, and you don't have to be from our school system in order to access this if you got this video from somewhere else, just come into our EdTech resources, go to Spotlights, come on down below to Tech Tips, and then you will see everything in alphabetical order. Artificial intelligence is up at the top, and you'll see the things right there. Okay. Last but not least, save the date, January 19th. Let's talk about all of this AI and how do we use it. It's going to be January 19th, after school, 2:15 to 3 in the back of the Media Center. All right. Hope to see you there. Hope this was helpful. Have yourself a fantastic day.